Hello everyone, okay. A lot of you here, I heard just now, where are these people from? I am from Sarawak. I'm an Iban, I'm a Dayak. Let me ask you a question. Is Sabah and Sarawak part of Malaysia?
Yes!
Is Sabah and Sarawak part of Malaysia?
Yes!
If you say yes, now I want to share with you, according to the Constitution of Malaysia, our country is called Malaysia and not Malaya. Okay, and Malaysia is a secular country and not an Islamic state.
Yes!
Now you must always remember, Sabah and Sarawak is not an Islamic state.
No Islamic state.
Yes, non-Islamic state, yeah. So, that's part of the reason why Sabah and Sarawak is willing to sign the Malaysian agreement in 1963. Have you heard of Malaysian agreement?
Yes!
So that's part of the reason why Brunei and Singapore, Brunei refused, Singapore left, because they knew this is going to be a problem. So, we in Sarawak, before we sign the agreement, first thing we ask for is the religion. We want freedom of religion in Sarawak. That's why we can live in Sarawak in harmony and very happy in Sarawak. So you must always remember, we Sarawak and Sabah, we are in the island of Borneo. Tak banyak orang tahu where is Sabah, where is Sarawak. They thought that we still live on top of the tree. No. We are a very rich country.
Yes!
So, you must always remember, in Borneo, 90% of the people in the island are the Dayak. Okay? And 53% of the population of Sarawak are Dayak. The mix of Dayak and blah blah blah. So we mix more, okay? Now, there are a lot of races in Sarawak. I give you one very good example. The Bangsa Melanau, okay? Most of them are Christian, some are Muslim, but they refuse to be called Malay. They still want to maintain them that they are Melanau, they are not Malay, even though they are a Muslim. Same goes to Sabah, some Murut. You see, there are so many Muruts who are Muslim, but they are Murut. They doesn't want to be called Malay. So that's why I said, we in Sabah and Sarawak, we want to ensure that the country where we live in now is a peaceful place for all Malaysians. Malaysia doesn't belong to one race and one religion. It belongs to all of us. We live here, we Sarawakian believe that Malaysia is a multi-racial, multicultural and multi-religion Malaysia. So that's the reason why we still want to be part of Malaysia. Otherwise, if there are so many problems here in Malaya, we Sarawak call you guys here Malaya. Okay? So, because of so many issues, I think this is one of the reasons why we Sarawakian are not keen to be part of Malaysia anymore. Thank you very much.
Sekarang ini kita mesti jangan lihat dari segi agama dan bangsa. Sesiapa yang buat salah, dia mesti ditangkap dan dihadapkan di mahkamah. Tak kira ke dia Melayu ke, dia Cina ke, dia India ke, kalau dia buat seditious remarks, kita ada penuh undang-undang di dalam penal code. Tetapi kenapa segala beribu polis report yang telah dibuat oleh Shashi dan ramai lagi, sebab ini ustaz-ustaz yang kononnya ustaz banyak melemparkan tomahan dan cemohan terhadap agama Hindu. Itu sebab dia banyak Hindu yang buat report. Cuba kalau Melayu yang buat report terhadap Islam, cepat mereka bergerak. 2 hari kena tangkap, terus kena tuduh, terus masuk penjara. Kenapa tidak sama dijadikan kepada ustaz-ustaz ini? Okey, inilah yang melalui setiap pemikiran orang yang waras. Tak kira Melayu, Cina atau India. So kita mahu satu tindakan yang adil daripada pejabat peguam negara Malaysia. Dan kita mahu kita punya orang politik bersuara tentang ini. Mengapa mereka tidak langsung membuat apa-apa percakapan? Okey, so sementara itu, okey guys, sekarang ini kita telah cuba membuat apa yang kita boleh buat. Saya harap semua kita bersabar dan lihat apa tindakan AGC dan juga tindakan orang-orang politik kita. Terima kasih.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.